his name is John Cena.
Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker.
Oh my God! No! Name is John Cena.
Und jetzt ein Doppelter Pin.
Rollins with a stop to Lesnar. Roman Reigns.
Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker.
Doing, I can see one.
Every man for himself.
KO!
There's Rollins with the pedigree.
Oh, what a knee!
Watch it again.
KO!
Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker.
Und jetzt ein Doppelter Pin.
Coming up the middle, free safety, gotta get it go.
Steps up, shake and bake.
Jumps over the defender. Rainbow! On this match.
Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker.
I
can see one. One flaw in Carlito's.
Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker.